Dear viewers, hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to present the summary of a legend from the famous epic book of Persian literature. Hope it would be liked by all of you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. Thank you. A legend from the Shahnama. The Shahnama, Book of Kings, by the Persian poet Abul Qasim Firdausi Tusi, well known by his pen name Firdausi, is a national epic of Iran. It has 60,000 verses. It is the longest epic work of the world. It took 30 years to be completed. It begins from the earliest time and ends with the establishment of the Arab rule in Iran. Apart from an epic, it's a historical document too. There are both mythical and historical legends in the book. One of those legends is of Zahak, of which summary is as follows. Zahak was a very ruthless and tyrant king. His shoulders bore two hissing snakes that kept him always restless. Two human brains were needed for their food, so two persons were killed daily to get brains. The court astrologers had predicted Zahak that in future a man named Faridun, a scion of Jamshed's line, would rise and bring his doom. Being afraid, Zahak ordered to slay all male newborn babies of the kingdom. When Faridun born, his mother Paranak handed him to a shepherd in order to bring him up and went underground. When Zahak got this news, he killed Faridun's father Abtin. Paranak entrusted her baby to a mendicant and once again went underground. When Faridun reached at the age of 16, he went forth in search of his mother. He got her. Her mother narrated all the happenings from beginning to end to him. Faridun vowed to wreak on Zahak. Zahak had become more ruthless and cruel than before. Each and every person of his kingdom was at a great loss and full of intense wrath. Faridun rose against Zahak. He met with a blacksmith, Kawa, whose two sons had already been killed for the snake's food, and the third one was to be killed. Kawa joined Faridun. He untwisted his bellows and made a flag of it, which was known as Dirifshe Kaviani. Both aroused men and women and revolted. Zahak was defeated and killed. Faridu enthroned as the king of Iran with Dirifshe Kaviani as the national standard. He ruled for a long period with peace and harmony.